secured another win tonight. How does it feel to get to this level in your senior year?
You know, it feels great. You know, I mean, last year we had a great season too, but we had to come back this year and show the people that, you know, we really are one of the best teams in the state. You know, so it feels good.
You knew this was going to be a tough game this week, and the T-Birds answered the call. How do you feel about the game tonight?
Well, you know, our guys just kept on playing, and you know, there's no quitting them ever. And we knew this was going to be a tough game. We got up 14-0 there, and I knew, you know, it wasn't just going to be we were going to keep going like that. We had to fight, and you know, they were going to make some plays, but we didn't want to give them the big one. We gave them a couple of big plays, and we kept on fighting though. And the difference was that you know, we wanted a little bit more, and I really believe that, and our guys were not going to give in.
Are you excited going into next week?
Well, yeah. I mean, anytime you get that opportunity, keep moving on to playoffs, it's outstanding. You know, they have this opportunity, and I appreciate it, and I thank the Lord every day that I get this opportunity to coach and teach these men, and you know, there's nothing greater to me.